Hi guys, welcome to a quick code review for NC CCI. And I mean, CCI indicator is not something new, okay? But obviously the native NinjaTrader version of the CCI can be extended to be suitable for quite a few more cases. And the one thing that I've added is basically the ability to use a multiple MA, okay, and also to use a multiple input, okay. So as you can see in the parameters, we have a few input selectors and quite a few MA selectors, including super smoother from John Ellers, and there's also a threshold bottom and top selector, okay, because Ninja for some reason just hard coded it in. Okay, here the horizontal lines are actually adjustable. Okay, so inside the on-state change, we initialize the indicators, which are basically the CCI uses the MA. Okay, so we assign the MA, and we also assign the input for that particular MA. In this case, we're going to use either the typical, the close, the median, or the weighted input. Okay, now once that's done, we go into the on-bar update, and inside the on-bar update, the logic for the CCI calculation is preserved. Same as classic standard calculation available in NinjaTrader, okay? And as you can see, I passed the input, okay, again to the input here and here, so the input is used in the body calculation as well. And then if we're using the classic method, okay, the signal that is going to be published is going to be when, so here's the overbought. And this is going to be a short signal, and from the oversold, this is going to be a long signal. Okay. On the other hand, the zone entry signal is going to give you a long here and a short here. Okay. So if a classic is selected, this is the formula. Okay, and we print the values -1. Okay, to be available. So if you ever need to hook this up to any so there's a transparent plot here that will plot all these signals, and the values are also hooked up to the draw arrow using hex. Okay, so you can change this to any shape you like, and you can also alter the size of it. Okay, which is great. Okay, so pretty much. Okay, I'm not really going to go through this code, okay, because this is exactly the same as Ninja has. Okay, I'm not going to, review CCI calculation and all the business is all very widely available. Okay, the aim of this indicator was to give the standard NinjaTrader version a bit more flexibility and functionality. So because obviously you can see that this has some interesting -1 printed, -1 printed, -1 printed, +1 printed, and this comes in from the CCI. Okay, and we are able to select various MA types here. We're able to select the period for this MA that's smoothed out. This is the threshold. The standard NinjaTrader does not have the threshold. Okay, so here you're able to actually move the threshold around, so you can visually actually identify when everything occurs. Okay, you can work with the arrow size, which is pretty cool. Okay, the standard arrows do not allow sizing. This arrow allows sizing and allows different shapes to be. You can use different shapes of signals. If you don't like arrows, you can pretty much use anything you like that's available in the hex library. Okay, so overall, this code is standard with some little extensions for better functionality. Enjoy.